What's going on, world? It's your boy Steve Dab 317 back with another reaction video. This one is titled, it's either titled Blizzard or Winter Storm. I've seen a couple of different variations, but they're pretty much the same thing. So I'm not going to talk much before this one. I just want to jump right into it. Also made some audio adjustments. Hopefully the sound comes through better. I don't know what just happened, but I just lost my subtitles. Let's try this again.
Тишиной сводит с ума, и опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Тихо, саваном белым вьюга, думаю, кровь где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль, ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь.
He definitely has the most unique voice that I've heard all of this year. There was a guy who had a song. What was his name? Tay or something. He had that song Chocolate Rain. I don't know. I may do a reaction to it right after this, although I've heard that song before, but just very just unique voices. Unique in a good way, just to clarify.
Так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо, саваном белым вьюга, думаю, кровь где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
Stop right there. I wonder how distracting that was, or if distracting at all, with having them with the garments, the linen ribbons, whatever they were, kind of draped around her and then moving or whatever. But this is kind of one of those videos where I don't have a ton to say about it. It's kind of one of those, I just really wanted to sit here and enjoy it. And I share those moments with you. When I have a lot to say, I share them with you on YouTube. When it's the video, when I don't, the her voice speaks for itself. And I don't have a ton to say, I go ahead and share those videos as well. So you've been around my channel for a while, there's always an assortment of reaction styles. This one's more of a mellow reaction. I just was sitting down, enjoying the moment, chilling, living in the moment. Anyways, appreciate you for being here. I will have more reactions coming your way. If you have a recommendation, put a link in the description or over on my community tab. A link in the description or over on my community tab. Steve Dab 317. I'm signing out. Peace. Wrong button again.